So today we will start lesson number 7 and it is about double fatha.
Double
So
fatha.
first of all read A'udhu Billah and Bismillah.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Okay, so the double fatha looks like two sliding lines on the top like that. Okay, so that is the same as the fatha, but we just have a two lines on the top. So whenever you have a one sliding line on the top, so we will call it fatha. And if we have double lines on the top, so then we call it double fatha. That's the only difference.
Sorry, can you repeat that one more time?
Yes, the double fatha looks like a fatha. The difference is that when we have one sliding line comes on the top of any letter, so then we call that sign is fatha. And when we have two sliding lines or double sliding lines on the top of any letter, so then we call it double fatha.
Okay, but what's the name for double fatha?
Yeah, we call it double fatha. This is the name for that sign. Fatha and double fatha.
Okay.
Okay, we can also like double fatha is also known as fatahatan, but I think double fatha is more easier to remember.
Double fatha, yes.
Okay, so the sound of double fatha is an. What is the sound of double fatha?
An.
Yes, an. So,
So
like,
but
yeah,
an.
yes, is the sound of fatha. Okay, and when we add the sound of noon, the sound of noon is n. This sound we add with the sound of fatha. So then it will become the double fatha sound, which will be
An,
an. Yes.
like
Okay.
Anzi.
Yes. So that's mean when we are pronouncing any letter which has double fatha, so we always pronounce the sound of the noon in the end as well. Okay. Why? Because the sound of noon is hidden in double fatha. So the sound of noon or the letter noon will never written with because that is hide and we just pronounce the
Abo.
sound.
That's what sorry, teacher. Sorry. 1 second.
Okay, I'm again repeating. The sound of fatha is a, and when we add the sound of noon with fatha sound, so it will become the sound of double fatha. So it will be an. Okay, so actually you just need to put your voice in your nose for a while. And my nose is chalked, so that's why I cannot do that for now. But I'm just telling you, you can do it. Put your voice on your nose in the end and pronounce the sound of the noon. So it will be an.
An.
Yes, that's the sound of double fatha.
Yes.
Okay. Now what we do whenever any letter has double fatha, so again we do the same as we were doing previous lessons like fatha, kasra, dhamma. First of all, we pronounce the letter sound, and then we pronounce the sign sound, and then we add both sounds together. So let's take the example of dod. That is the hard letter for you. So let the example dod. So the sound of dod is
Dan.
exactly. The sound of dod is do, and then
Ah?
we add do. The sound of dod is
Da.
yeah. And now because dod has double fatha, so we add the sound of double fatha and then when we add both sounds together, so it will become dan.
Dan.
Yes. Do you understand?
Yeah, is that what you said? Dan.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So let's start from the first letter. Try to read this one. Alif with double fatha.
So alif and an will be an alif.
Yes, because alif doesn't have any sound. So
Yeah.
what we do, we just pronounce the sound of double fatha, which is
An
an.
and
Okay.
ba.
Uh,
Ban.
yes. Next.
Tan.
Next.
S- 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 Sun.
Yes.
Jan.
Next.
Han.
Yes.
And run.
Sorry, read again.
Run.
I think you are reading ghun. It's not ghun. Ghun is the another letter. Ghain. This is kha. So
This
it
is
must be
a ha.
uh,
Yeah, so it's han.
yes. Correct.
And this is a Ra.
No, it's not raw.
Oh, this is Da letter.
Exactly.
Well, why do you have Alif next to it?
Yes, actually, uh, inshallah, later on you will learn about that. Sometimes we have tanween sign. What is tanween exactly? I don't know. You don't know right now. But after that we need this alif, and this
Okay.
alif we will call empty letter, and sometimes it will be turned into the madda letter. But both of them you will learn later. So for now, ignore it and read dar with double fatha. One thing, just keep in your mind that whenever there is any letter without any sign, so we don't read that. We only read those letters which have any sign on it. Got it?
Okay.
Okay.
Teacher, sorry. Can you repeat the last thing you said? My mom was calling me
Okay, no problem.
and she
Actually,
distracted me a little.
yeah, no problem. I was saying that for now, you just need to keep in your mind that we just ignore those letters which doesn't have any sign on it. Okay, because we only read those letters which have any sign on it.
Okay.
If there is no sign, so we don't read that letter. Even if that letter comes in Quran, in any verse, in any line, we just ignore that.
When there's no sign on top, any letter, you ignore it. You're silent.
Yes, silent.
D'accord. I mean, okay.
Okay, read dal with double fatha.
Which one? So this is a Dan,
Yes,
and this is Za. Zan
yes.
and Ran, and this is uh. What letter is this?
You tell me.
Is it Za?
Yes, it's za.
So there's two Za.
No, one is zal and one is za.
This is Sa.
Za, za.
This is Za. Yes.
Yes.
You say
So
one is Za. The other is what?
this is zal. Okay, the complete curve we have
Is
like a C.
Zal.
It yeah, that is zal.
Is Zal.
Yes,
Okay.
and this one is za.
Za.
Uh,
Zal. Za. Okay. And this is Sa. Sha. Sha. This is Sun.
yes.
Sun.
Shan.
Sun.
Read again.
Sun.
Yes.
This is sword. Sun. Dun. Dun. Dun.
One.
Zal. Can we go to the previous one?
Yes.
You see that's so dot 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 so. This one is a Zal.
Not zal. It's zo.
Zo.
Uh,
So Zo with double fatha is Zol. Zun.
yes. Zon.
Zun.
Next.
Okay, thank you. Oh, this is Khain.
Uh,
Yes, so it's no An.
yes.
Khain. Khain. An. Gun.
Uh,
This is Noon. Is this Noon?
no. No
Moon.
never has this circle on it.
Yes, this is the Moon.
No.
So this is not Moon and Noon.
What is
Ah,
mud?
it's a Noon. Noon. Moon.
What is mud?
Meem.
No. Meme never comes with a dot.
Oh, is this is a Fa.
Pa, yes.
This is fa. This is fun,
Yes.
fun,
Yes.
and fun. This is this is kan,
Yes.
lan.
Hmm.
This is wow.
No, it's not wow. Wow never joined to the next any letter.
Oh, this is not fa.
No. Fa was that one. When you were reading this letter, so you read two wrong letters on that time. One was noon and what was another one?
Meme,
Yes, so this is the meme.
meme. Oh, meme. So meme has no dot. Thank you. So it's
Yes.
a meme. It's a meme and ayin. No, sorry, meme and double fatha and la.
Where is la?
No, no, sorry, it's not la. It's alif.
Alif, but without any sign.
It's silent. Okay, thank you.
Uh,
So it's meme and an man.
yes.
I think this is la. Am I wrong?
Yes.
Oh,
See, here again you were saying that letter name. One was me and one was another one.
okay. So after meme is nun.
Yes.
So
Noon.
nan.
Yes.
This is wow, wam,
Yes. One.
one, and this one is ha.
Yes.
So this is han,
Yes.
han,
Yes.
and lam.
No.
Huh?
Which letter is that?
Okay, so it's not la because la is turned the other way around, right? Is that correct? La is the other way around.
No.
Oh, this is not la. This is ain.
Hide. No.
No, no, ain.
No. No.
No, no,
Not.
sorry, sorry. This is hamza.
Yes.
Oh man. So, but Hamza, why Hamza look like? Hmm.
See that there is a reason that if they connect Hamza directly with the next any letter, so there will be a very difficulty to understand that which one or recognize that which one is Hamza and which one is Ain, because on that time they will look like this shape. Okay, just imagine if you connect Hamza with the next letter, so they will look like this one, right? So then how can you identify which one is Hamza and which one is Ain?
Oh, the accent on top, right?
Sorry, what did you say?
Or the accent on top.
The accent?
Yes, on top. The between the bet, mm, below the double fatha, the thing on top.
No, no, I'm just saying that if we connect Hamza with Alif, with the next any letter without this line, so
Yeah.
then,
So you're saying how do we know?
then both shape will looks like that. Ain and
Yeah,
Hamza,
but Hamza is going to have this thing on top.
no, then the both will be same. There will be no difference. So that is the reason they put the line in the bottom and don't connect Hamza with the next letter. This line now make the differentiate between the Hamza and Ain, the half shape of Ain and the full shape of Hamza. Whenever they comes in the beginning or middle, so the next letter must be connect with that previous letter, and if that connected, so we can now recognize that if there is a line in there, so and there is a shape looks like a half shape of Ain, so we call it Hamza. And if there is no line and the letter half shape connected, so then it is Ain.
I don't understand that. Sorry.
Okay, I'm again repeating it. So actually, the half shape of Ain, let me write here for you. Okay, so the half shape of Ain looks like that, right?
Yes.
And the Hamza also looks like that. Same, there is no different.
Yes.
So whenever they comes in Quran and the next letter comes after half shape of Ain or Hamza, so if we say like for example we have a Ain and there is a Waw next to it, so it will looks like that. And if we do the same with Hamza as well, so now how can you know that the first letter is Ain or Hamza? Because there is no a single difference between Hamza and the half shape of Ain. So make it easy that which is Hamza and Ain. We have this small line. So now whenever you have a line and Hamza written on it, so you can easily identify this is Hamza.
I got it. Understood.
Okay, we skip this shape because if we choose this shape for Hamza, so then it will like impossible to understand or recognize that is it Hamza or Ain.
Okay. Understood now.
Okay, now read this one.
Yeah.
Come on, read.
This is Yan.
Exactly. Excellent. So first, okay, now in the end, tell me what is the name of this sign?
Which sign?
This sign,
Oh, double fataha.
double fatha. And what is the sound of double fatha?
And
And where it will comes on the top or bottom?
on the top.
And how it will looks like
Like two line.
two sliding lines. Okay. So do you understand? Now you have any question about double fatha?
No.
Okay. What is the
I
second
understand.
name of double fatha?
Uh, I forgot that one.
Fatah tan.
Sorry?
Fatah tan.
Khadija. Daddy busy.
Here,
Oh,
here we have the second name of double fatha. You can also call
Fatatan.
it fatah tan.
Fatatan.
Okay, so both are the correct names. So if anyone will say this name in front of you, so then don't be confused because this is also the second name for double fatha.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, like sometimes some people also call it do zabar.
Those are the.
Yes. But this name, normally the Asian people will say. So maybe you won't listen that, but if there will be any person from Asia, so you will see that he will call the name for this sign Do Zabar, or the Arabic name for that sign is Fatatan or double Fatha you can also call. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so inshallah ta'ala, the exercise for this lesson we will start in our next class. The page, inshallah, I will send you on your WhatsApp so you can do practice again for the whole lesson before the next class because you have now
Thank
2 more days to practice, right? Saturday and Sunday. So try to do little bit practice for this lesson. So inshallah, on Monday we will start the exercise.
Okay. Thank you.
Now tell me the steps of the wuzu.